Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a list in ConvertKit. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your account, and here on the dashboard, come and hover over Grow, and then click on it, and then click again on Subscribers. Okay, now to add a list, we need to go ahead and come here to Subscribers and just import a CSV to import a whole list of subscribers. So click on Import CSV, and I'll come here and drag and drop this one right here. So there we go, we're dragging and dropping the CSV file, and it's loading up. You can see all the different column headers, and you can go ahead and select kit fields if you want to, have a custom field as well. You can do that. And I'll pick here first name, okay, and then let's go ahead and get their email right here. That's important for us. And now let's create one here for last name. So we'll just type that in, last name, and then click on create last name. So there we go. We'll use that one and then click here on next. And now you can go ahead and click on start import. If you would like to add tags, you can do that as well. But for now, we'll just go ahead and import this. So do start import. And there you go. The import is in progress. Could take a few minutes. And when it is done, they'll send you an email. Okay. So we'll go ahead and close that. All right, there we go. It is telling me the import is done. 24 subscribers were added. So we can come back here and let's see. Okay, they have 24 subscribers, and here you go. These are all of their details. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. That is how you create a list in ConvertKit.